Some companies have royalty and fee for technical services. As you see, the tax rates have been falling down over the years, right? It was earlier in 1976, it used to be 50%. It has gone down after 31st May 2005 to 10%, right? Under the DTC, it has been proposed at 20%. There's an increase from 10% on what has been proposed. Foreign company, the tax rates, you see, if you see immediately down, there is a 30% tax rate for Indian companies, and for foreign companies there is a tax rate of 40%, apart from surcharge and the education cesses, right? The higher education and the normal education cess, right? So 30 to 40% is the tax rate. So there is a variance between what the domestic company pays and what a foreign company pays at this moment. There is a discrimination, right? They said that now let's remove all the discriminations and make it 30%, right? Once you do that, they propose an additional tax of 15% as additional branch profit tax of 15% on foreign companies. So the basic tax rate will remain the same, but the foreign companies will have to pay an additional tax of 15% on its income, right? Which is sort of like a DDT. You see, because there is a DDT for domestic companies. So, additional branch profit tax is sort of like a DDT for a foreign company. It gets compensated there. Looking at what is the basis of charge. You see, when you look at the basis of charge, we all know that one has to stay in this country, for more than 182 days to qualify as a resident of this country. So there is a slight tweaking of the law which they did here, because they felt that the non-residents, a lot of non-residents are actually Indians who go abroad, who somehow manage to stay for less than 182 days in this country, right? Have everything going on for them. They are like living like a normal citizen of this country, but still they are evading taxes, right? And what they are doing is that they are managing to even in fact evade tax.